Hello friends, my name is Ankit Kumar and I am pursuing PhD in Mathematics from MNIT Allahabad. Today I will explain about the IITC examination, its eligibility criteria, exam pattern, syllabus and some important books. Now I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. The JEE stands for Joint Entrance Exam and it is a national entrance exam held for candidates seeking to pursue an engineering course from various colleges across the country. Whereas IIT stands for the Indian Institute of Technology and it provides the most prestigious colleges to study engineering in India. The JEE is constituted by two different exams, that is JEE Main and JEE Advanced. The JEE Main exam is a CBOT, that is computer based online test conducted by NTA for students aspiring to pursue undergraduate courses in top engineering colleges. It is the first phase of IIT joint entrance exam. The JEE Main examination is conducted in two sessions and candidate can take either in the month of January or in the month of April. The better of two NTA scores will be considered by the exam conducting authority. More significantly, students are granted admission to IITs, CFITs, NITs and other government-funded technical institutes. Main also the top 250,000 students from JEE Main will qualify to appear the JEE Advanced examination. What is JEE Advanced? JEE Advanced examination is the second phase of the JEE examination and is usually conducted after the JEE Main exam. It is an important test for engineering aspirants. JEE Advanced is a computer-based exam and is usually conducted by 7 different Indian IITs on a rotational basis. It is the only gateway for students to land a seat in premier engineering institutes like IITs. It includes 23 IITs offering around 10,988 seats to the eligible candidates. Apart from IIT colleges, 9 other premier institutes and also some IISER institutes will offer the admission for the students. The entrance exam consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. It also carried out in 2 steps that are held on the same day. It is mandatory for all the students to appear for both the papers in order to eligible for the merit list. Now we discuss about the JEE Main math syllabus. Unit first contains sets, relations and functions. In this unit we read sets, their representations, union, intersection, complements of set, power set, relations, types of relations, equivalence relations, functions 1 and onto into functions. Unit 2 contains the complex numbers and quadratic equation. In this unit we read complex numbers, their representations, their adjacent diagrams, algebra of complex numbers, modulus and argument of complex numbers, triangle inequality, quadratic equations and real and complex number, the relations between roots and coefficients, nature of roots, formation of quadratic equation with the given roots. The unit third contains matrices and determinants. In this unit we read matrices, algebra of matrices, types of matrices, determinants, properties of determinant, evaluation of determinants, adjoint and evaluation of inverse of square matrix using determinants and elementary transformation, test of consistency and solution of simultaneous linear equations in 2 or 3 variables. Fourth unit contains permutations and combination. In this unit we read fundamentals, principle of counting, permutation as an arrangement and combinations, the meaning of PNR and CNR. Unit 5 contains mathematical induction, principle of mathematical induction. Unit 6 contains binomial theorem. In this unit we read binomial theorem for a positive integral index, general and term and middle term, properties of binomial coefficients and simple equation. Unit 7 contains sequence and series. In this unit we read arithmetic and geometric progression, geometric means between two given numbers, relation between AM and GM, sum of n terms, arithmetic geometric progression. Unit 8 contains limits, continuity and differentiability. In this unit we read real valued function, what is real valued function, what is algebra of these functions, logarithmic and exponential function, inverse function and graphs of some simple function, limits, continuity and differentiability and algebra of differentiation, differentiation of trigonometry, exponential, inverse, logarithmic, etc. All the all these functions. Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem, applications of derivatives, rate of change of quantities, monotonic increasing and decreasing functions. In unit 9 we read integral calculus, and in this unit we read integral as an antiderivative, fundamental integrals involving algebraic trigonometry, exponential function, integration by substitution, integration using trigonometric identities, integral as limit of sum, simple integrals, fundamental theorem of calculus, and properties of different integrals. Whereas in unit 10 contains differential equation, and in this unit we read ordinary differential equation, formation of differential equation, solution of differential equation, homogeneous and linear differential equation. Unit 11 contains coordinate geometry, and in this unit we read Cartesian system of rectangular coordinates in a plane, distance formula, section formula, straight line, various forms of the equations of line, intersection of lines, angles between two lines, distance of a point from a line, equations of internal and external bisectors of angles between two lines, coordinates of the centroid, center of a triangle, equations of the family of line passing through the point of intersection of two lines, circles, conic section, standard form of equation of circle, general form of the equation of circle, its radius, center, equation of the circle, and etc. Section of cones, equations of conic section, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola in standard forms. Unit 12 contains 3D geometry, and in this unit we read coordinate of a point in space, the distance between 2 points, section formula, directions ratios, directions cosine, skew lines, shortest distance between them, and its equations of a line and a plane in different forms. And unit 3 contains vector algebra, and in this unit we read scalars and vector addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, vectors components in 2D and 3D space, scalar products and vector products. Unit 14 contains statistics and probability. In this unit we read measures of dispersion, calculus of mean, mode, median, variance, standard deviation, mean deviation, etc. And in this unit we also read probability of events, multiplication theorem, addition theorem, Bayes theorem, Bernoulli's theorem, binomial distribution, and probability distribution. In 15 unit it contains trigonometry, and in this unit we read the identities of trigonometric function, inverse trigonometric function, and problems of height and distance. Unit 16 contains mathematical reasoning, and in this unit we read statements and logical operations are an implied by implies only if and if, understanding of contraction, tautology, contrapposity, and converse. Whereas if we talk about the JEE Advanced Math syllabus, then its first unit contains the algebra, and in this unit we read the algebra of complex number, polar representation, triangle inequality, geometric interpretation, quadratic equation, formation of quadratic equations, arithmetic and geometric progression, sum of infinite arithmetic and geometric progression, sum of squares, logarithmic and their properties, problems on permutations and combinations, binomial theorem for a positive integral index, properties of binomial coefficient matrices as a rectangular array, determinant of square matrix, properties of these matrices operations, solution of simultaneous linear equations, addition and multiplication rules of probability, Bayes theorem, independence of events, computations of probability of events using permutations and combinations. Unit 2 contains trigonometry. In this unit we read the trigonometric functions, their periodicity, graphs, formula, general solution, relations between sides and angles, half angle formula, inverse trigonometry, etc. Vectors, the addition of vectors, scalar multiplication, dot and cross product, scalar and products, and geometric interpretation. Unit 4 contains differential equation, and in this unit we read the different real valued functions of real variable, composite functions, even and odd functions, limit and its continuity, L'Hospital rules, chain rule, derivatives, tangents and normals, Rolle's theorem, and Lagrange's theorem. Unit 5 contains the integration as the inverse process of differentiation, indefinite integrals of standard function, fundamental theorem of integral calculus, application of definite integrals, formation of ordinary differential equation, linear first order differential equation. Now we discuss about the important books. Then these are the important books which are help in you in cracking the examination of your IIT-JEE. Some important things, since this examination is very toughest examination in India, so some of the strategies apply to this. So always concentrate on structuring the paper and makes a timetable, read the NCERT's books, and do the hard work that helps in cracking your examination. So thank you and best wishes.